Mentagasngi hakajing panhapardaya ke East Gentil District in the school athletics meet arajar arpusan bala pelong amadan teilang playground hadikia West Deputy Commissioner ke East Gentil District Ushivanj Awasti IAS ulalong kumukongsan pat Superintendent of Police East Gentil District Ugiri Prasad IPS kumusumbut kongsan Ushivanj Awasti ula penshai bat pensngau ya ki judge scheme ni kila jingiarap apher ki banak sarkar ban kyntiew ye ki khynnah ki badan sam ha ka jingile kai sports bat Nalor kata ula ongru banakaliang ki board district ru shim khia ban kyntiew shushu lingba kila jingiarap ki ba naka district mineral funding ukongsan ulai ru ka jing khuble kitbok kitriang ya baro ki bala job ha ki jingile kai sports ba pher barai men siemru ya ki tu ki ba klempoi shakathang ba kimdei bandu men siem namar ha ka wei ka singi kin sa poi hi shakathang ula ai khuble ya ka district sports officer ka kong Stephanie Rapsang ka ba lala ban pelong ya ka nega program ka ba jump ha ka nega limpong athletics meet araja apsan jong ka East Gentil District kiladan hado arpo lai teli ki school ki belawan men shim benta bat kidan hado riu spa tam ki khynnah ki belawan shim benta ha kane ka limpung bat ka wapung highest secondary school wapung kalara yakanam jingjom ha ka kerdan overall championship ki beladan ringkan ha kane ka sngi ki kentop ru wahe shnong dikhya west uba going by swear District Public Relation Officer East Gentil District Uba ESWAR General Secretary East Gentil District Football Association Uba James Sutanga lembat ki dukhan ba kenthom uba mehi wat shadap bat kiwei
So I declare the East Gentil District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2025 to be closed. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations, boys. In the girls category. We'll keep it up. We'll have a photo session now.
I would also like to extend my appreciation towards District Sports Office and the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for organizing this inter-school athletic meet every year, so that all the athletes of our district, from all the districts of our state, get the opportunity to showcase their talent, showcase their skills, first at the district level, and the ones who will be chosen from this inter-district level meet, they will be going on to represent our district at the state level. So I extend my congratulations to all the athletes who have participated, especially to those who have won the medal, and also to those who could not win this time. My best wishes and all the best to all of you, so that next year you can come back stronger and emerge as victorious. So with this, I would also like to share that from the district administration side also, we are trying to promote as much as possible various kind of sporting activities. We have district mineral fund in our district. 2 days back only, we have inaugurated a new futsal ground in Sokhim 4. 3-4 more futsal grounds are also ready, which will be inaugurated in next 1 month to come. Other than futsal, we also want to focus on many other sports disciplines. We have District Sports Promotion Society, where I am chairman, Superintendent of Police is also the member, the DSO is the member secretary. So from this stage, I would like to appeal all the sports association who are present there. Many times, because of our focus on football, athletics, many other disciplines, we miss out. But when we go to represent at the state level, district level, each sport discipline carries equal weight. We can win medal in any of the disciplines. So whichever facility possible in any of the sports discipline that we can provide from the district side through District Sports Promotion Society or through CMYDS scheme. Under CMYDS, I would like to share with the athletes that even when you are participating at the international level, national level, you need some funds for your travel, for your expenses, for your accommodation. That can be provided by district level under the Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme. Since in last 1 year also we have provided and helped many of our athletes to participate in cycling events, to participate in arm wrestling events. So there is, and in last few years, you have seen that the government of Meghalaya, now Meghalaya Games has become a regular affair. Every year we are organizing Meghalaya Games. This year it was held in West Jingiarap Hills, before that in West Garo Hills and Shillong. So the government wants to spread the sports not just to be centered only in Shillong, but it should move around in all districts. We had Northeast Olympic Games few years back, and all this will be culminated into national games which will be held in our state in 2027. So associations that this is our chance when the national games will be held in our state to showcase how much progress we have made in these last 5-10 years when it comes to sports, be it providing any kind of facilities to the athletes. We have program that sports department is doing with Meghalaya State Olympic Association, where top 200 talents have been identified and they are being trained at JN Stadium. They are being given hostel facilities. So now with cash award scheme for athletes who win, who represent the state and win at state level, national level, government is trying to recognize and appreciate their efforts, their skills by providing them cash awards, scholarships. So I would like to appeal to all the students who are present here, just don't think about sports as some extracurricular activity. You can achieve a lot more in sports as career. You can be coaches. Now there is sports science where a lot of consultants are required to understand what kind of athlete will be good in what. So you can in future after your school you can also study in sports. You can do your bachelor's in sports science and progress into such job roles which can be provided by sports. So this is my appeal to all the parents, teachers and students who are present here.